Welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how I make my alcohol-based perfumes. I already have a video on my channel where I show recipes for oil-based perfumes. In that video I also explain the three main notes in perfumes, which are base, middle and top note, their durability and examples of essential oils in each of the notes. Check out the video if you want more information or if you prefer oil-based perfumes that are more gentle on the skin. I leave the link to the video in the description box below. I like to make both types of perfumes depending on my needs. Oil-based perfumes don't leave the skin dry, have a more subtle scent, noticeable from a close distance, and last longer on the skin. Alcohol-based perfumes, on the other hand, are less durable due to the volatile properties of alcohol, but we can use more of them also on clothes, where I know from my own experience that they last much longer than on the skin. The smell is also more noticeable from a distance. Both types of perfumes change their scent over time, and the base note lasts longer on the skin. It took me a lot of time and many attempts before I got the scent I like. Although the composition is not yet fully developed and I am still experimenting, I will share with you a recipe for perfumes which are currently my favorites. To make my perfumes, I use surgical alcohol, which contains 90 to 96 pure ethyl alcohol. Such alcohol is much cheaper than food-grade spirits. To make 30 ml of perfume with a concentration of 30%, I need 9 ml of essential oils. 1 ml of essential oil contains about 20 drops, so I need 180 drops of essential oils in total. However, if you have sensitive skin, use 20% concentration or even 15%. You can find all the percentage examples in the description box. I use a small measuring cup and mark 30 ml on it. Then I pour about 3 ml of alcohol and add my chosen essential oils one by one. 9 drops of lime essential oil, 18 drops of lemon oil, 18 drops of sweet orange oil, 18 drops of ylang-ylang essential oil, 9 drops of jasmine essential oil, 18 drops of bergamot essential oil, 45 drops of vanilla oil, 27 drops of sage oil, and 18 drops of myrrh essential oil. If I want a less sweet fragrance, I swap sweet orange for bitter orange and jasmine for neroli. I mix the oils and then add alcohol to obtain 30 ml in total. I mix everything again and pour it in the clean and dry glass bottle. For the best result, put your perfumes in a dry and dark place for about 2 weeks. During this time, the oils mix with each other and the scent matures. The essential oils used for this recipe come from all three fragrance notes, but currently I'm not that strict to every fragrance notes and the percentage, and I combine oils that I like or that I feel will blend well. However, I try to include oils from each group in my fragrance combination. Remember to do a patch test if this is your first time using particular essential oil or if you in general never had contact with them before. Making your own perfumes is a great fun and offers endless possibilities for creating different scents combinations. I usually have one lighter and floral perfume for daytime and another one stronger, more woody and spicy for the evening time. Let me know if you make your own perfumes and what combinations work best for you. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye!